It's Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a terrific location in the fun Old Town neighborhood, looking southeast toward Michigan Avenue, River North, and heading around east toward the lake, looking along fabled Gold Coast streets. Gold Coast is just a block from here, heading north toward the fabulous strip of bars, restaurants, one-of-a-kind shops that lines Wall Street. And you have Plum Market, a full-service, great grocery just a few steps north of here. Let's head inside for a look at a fully furnished, 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. This is one of the level units at Old Town Park, and it's kitted up with everything you need to move right in and feel right at home for a month or much longer. It's a great southeast corner living dining area. It's a really spacious room compared to what you're going to find in most high-rise apartments. 2 walls of floor-to-ceiling windows, that wide balcony, gray light plank flooring that extends throughout the unit. You're going to find all the furnishings, cookware, dinnerware, tableware, everything you need to just move in and live. A very sleek kitchen, breakfast bar island, double bowl undermount sink. Everything here is of the very highest quality. You have cabinet front appliances. There's a 5-burner gas range, a range hood, lacquer look upper white cabinets and contrasting lowers. Again, the refrigerator is cabinet front, dishwasher. Everything you need to move right in is right here. We've got a pantry cabinet, a wall-mounted microwave. Panning around to walk into the master bedroom. There's a king-size bed. You're looking at telephones. It's going to be a flat panel TV in each of the bedrooms in addition to the one in the living room. Master bath has a walk-in shower, a wide medicine cabinet mirror. You have all your towels, your starter kit of toiletries, robes, a safe, organizers in the closets. I want to keep looking at this great room here. When the sun shines, it just floods with light. Guest bedroom. Nice size for a second bedroom. Closet has organizers. Looking at the front entry door here. There's a stacked front-loading washer-dryer. And a very sleek guest bath, again with a wide mirrored medicine cabinet. And there's the deep soaking tub, large tile, body spray attachment, rain shower head. Coat closet, as you would have entered the unit. Ironing board, additional bedding. The level units are really a wow. I can't think of a better way to relocate to a new city than to rent one of these fully furnished units for a short period of time while you look around and decide where you want to make your more permanent home. Take a look at Level. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.